Have you ever thought about starting your own auto body shop service? Imagine the freedom of running your own business, setting your own hours, and being your own boss. The auto body shop service industry is a thriving sector, brimming with potential for those who are passionate about automobiles. Starting your own business in this field can be incredibly rewarding. Not only can you pursue your interest in cars, but you also have the opportunity to make a good living while doing so. However, it's important to protect your dream by taking the right legal steps. Forming a limited liability company, or an LLC, is a key step in this process. An LLC provides crucial legal protection and offers significant tax benefits. One of the best company formation services out there is Inkfile, which can help you establish your LLC with ease and confidence. Stay tuned as we go over the key steps to creating your own LLC for auto body shop services. But first, what is an LLC and why is it crucial for your auto body shop service? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a type of business structure that combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. It's like having the best of both worlds, and it's an excellent choice for many small business owners, including those who are venturing into the auto body shop industry. Now, why is an LLC crucial for your business? Well, there are several reasons. First, an LLC provides personal liability protection. This means that if your business ever faces a lawsuit or incurs debts, your personal assets, like your home or personal savings, are protected. In the world of auto repairs, where accidents and mishaps can sometimes happen, this protection is indispensable. Second, an LLC offers tax advantages. Unlike corporations, an LLC is not a separate tax entity. Therefore, the business itself is not taxed. Instead, business income flows through to the owners, who report it on their personal tax returns. This is known as pass-through taxation and can lead to significant tax savings. Third, forming an LLC can boost your business's credibility. When customers see the LLC at the end of your business name, they may perceive your business as more established and reliable. And in an industry where trust is paramount, this increased credibility can give you a competitive edge. But there's more. An LLC also allows for easy management and flexible profit distribution. It doesn't have rigid rules about how it must be managed or how profits are divided among owners, which is a stark contrast to corporations. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial for small businesses, where roles and profit shares may need to change as the business grows. Now that we know the importance of an LLC, let's dive into the process of creating one. Creating an LLC may seem like a daunting task, but we're here to guide you through it, step by step. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Choosing a business name. This is more than just a creative exercise. Your business name is a crucial part of your brand's identity. It's what customers will come to know and trust. Make sure your chosen name is unique, easy to pronounce and spell, and represents your auto body shop service well. Check with your state's business name database to ensure it's not already taken. Step 2. Appointing a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business entity who agrees to send and receive legal papers on behalf of your LLC. These may include important state filings or service of process of legal action. Your registered agent must be a resident of the state where your business is located, or a corporation authorized to transact business in that state. Step 3. Filing the Articles of Organization. This is where things start to get official. The Articles of Organization, sometimes known as a Certificate of Formation or a Certificate of Organization, is a document that establishes the existence of your LLC in your state. The document includes information like your business name, its purpose, and details about how your LLC will be managed. Now, as we walk through these steps, you might be thinking, this seems like a lot of paperwork. And you're not wrong. But that's where Inkfile comes in. Inkfile is a company formation service that can help streamline the process. They handle the paperwork, so you can focus on what you do best, running your auto body shop. Step 4. Creating an operating agreement. An operating agreement is not required in all states, but it's highly recommended. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It's a key document for maintaining your LLC's limited liability status. It includes information like members' rights and responsibilities, allocation of profits and losses, and procedures for handling the departure and addition of members. The journey to creating an LLC may seem long and winding, but remember, each step is a building block to your business's foundation. And the good news is, you're not alone in this journey. Services like Inkfile are there to help you navigate the paperwork and legalities. And there you have it. the basic steps to creating your LLC, but we're not done yet. Once your LLC is established, it's crucial to comply with ongoing legal requirements. This step is not as daunting as it sounds, but it is indispensable to keep your business running smoothly and legally. Firstly, obtaining the necessary business licenses and permits is of paramount importance. These vary by state, county, and sometimes even city. They could range from a basic operating license to specific permits related to the auto body shop industry. It's worth noting that operating without the necessary licenses and permits can lead to hefty fines, or worse, closure of your business. Secondly, annual reports are a key part of maintaining your LLC. These reports provide a snapshot of your business's activities throughout the year and are typically submitted to your state's Secretary of State office. They're not just a formality, but a way of demonstrating transparency and accountability in your business operations. Now let's talk about taxes. The tax landscape for LLCs can be quite complex, and it's essential to keep up. Most LLCs are considered pass-through entities for tax purposes, which means that the company itself does not pay income tax. Instead, income from the business is distributed to individual LLC members, who then report this income on their personal tax returns. However, certain states impose an annual tax on LLCs, so it's important to research and understand the tax obligations in your area. One last point to mention is the importance of keeping accurate and thorough records. This includes records of meetings, decisions made, financial statements, and more. These records protect your LLC status and can be crucial in the event of an audit. In conclusion, complying with legal requirements is not optional but a fundamental part of running a successful business. It may seem like a lot, but with the right approach and resources, it's entirely manageable. Remember, the goal is to maintain the good standing of your business, and these steps are designed to help you do just that. Complying with these legal requirements ensures your business stays in good standing. Starting an auto body shop service and forming an LLC can be a rewarding endeavor. We've journeyed together through the ins and outs of this process, and now, let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've covered. We kicked things off by introducing the concept of starting an auto body shop service. We explored the idea of transforming your passion for vehicles into a profitable business venture. Remember, the first step towards this is having a clear vision and a solid business plan. Then, we dove into the basics of an LLC. We discussed how an LLC, or limited liability company, offers the perfect blend of personal liability protection and tax benefits. It's an ideal structure for an auto body shop service as it safeguards personal assets while also offering flexibility in management. Next, we walked through the step-by-step process of creating an LLC. Throughout this journey, we kept coming back to one key resource, Inkfile. Inkfile simplifies the process of forming an LLC, offering comprehensive services that take the guesswork out of starting your auto body shop service. They streamline the process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, turning your passion for vehicles into a thriving business.
If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Inkfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Inkfile. Inkfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Inkfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Inkfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Inkfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees. Already on top of the $237 state fee, each package has its own set of services, which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Inkfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Inkfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name and a business email, which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Inkfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America, so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil, in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.